Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're doing something fun, learning how to speak like Tom Holland in just 10 minutes.
Yes, the British actor known for being Spider-Man, charming, casual, and funny in interviews. His style is full of friendly English, natural pauses, and expressions you can use in everyday conversation.
Tip 1. Use casual, friendly language. First, Tom's speech is very casual and approachable.
Instead of saying, "I am very excited about the movie," he'd say,
I'm really excited for this, honestly. Can't wait for you guys to see it.
See, he adds small words like honestly and really, and contractions like I'm instead of I am. It makes you sound natural and friendly.
Tip 2. Add humor and self-deprecating comments. Tom often makes fun of himself.
For example, when he trips or says something awkward in an interview.
Oh no, I've done it again. Classic me.
Notice the pause, laughter, and casual phrasing. It makes you charming and relatable.
Tip 3. Use British slang and expressions. Tom's British accent comes with some slang. For example,
Mate, friend, brilliant, great or amazing, cheers, thanks.
example.
That was brilliant, mate. Cheers for helping out.
You don't need to overdo it, just sprinkle it naturally. Tip 4. Speak with enthusiasm and energy.
Tom's tone is energetic even when telling small stories.
Example. So, I was on set, right? And I literally tripped over this tiny cable and everyone started laughing.
Notice the storytelling style, gestures, even in words, and excitement.
Tip 5. Use pauses and fills naturally. Tom doesn't rush. He uses small pauses, and naturally.
Example,
So, I guess we just have to wait and see, It's tricky.
these make your speech sound conversational and relaxed, not robotic.
Tip 6. Express gratitude and humility. He often thanks fans and shows humility.
Example,
Honestly, I can't believe how supportive everyone's been. I really appreciate it.
notice the genuine tone and simple words. This makes your speech feel authentic.
Tip 7. Use humor with pop culture. Tom often mixes humor with references to pop culture, like movies or Marvel.
Example,
I tried lifting the hammer and, it didn't go well. Definitely not worthy yet.
it's funny, self-deprecating, and shows you're in on the joke.
Mini practice. Speak like Tom Holland. Let's try a short exercise. Imagine introducing yourself like Tom.
Step 1, use casual, friendly language. Hey, I'm your name. Nice to meet you.
Step 2. Add humor or humility. I'm probably going to trip over something while we talk, but bear with me.
Step 3, sprinkle in natural fillers. So, I guess we can get started,
Step 4. Express enthusiasm. Honestly, I'm really excited to be here. It's brilliant.
And step 5, end with gratitude. Thanks for having me, mate.
See? In just a few sentences, you're already speaking like Tom Holland. Friendly, funny, and energetic.
And that's your 10-minute crash course on speaking like Tom Holland.
Remember, casual, humorous, humble, and full of energy. Sprinkle in some British expressions, pauses, and you're golden.
Next time you speak English, try using these tips and imagine you're chatting with friends like Tom would.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, keep laughing, and stay brilliant, just like Tom Holland.
Bye for now.